Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all in one, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the x cube. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So before starting, I'm just gonna give you guys a brief introduction to the x cube. So the x cube looks like a 2 by 2, right? Of course it's in a shape of a cube, and there are four pieces, and all of those four pieces are triangles. And in a normal cube, once you move like this, right? But in here it's different. There are three triangles connected to each piece. So what you do is move it like this. Yeah, it can do that, but from this you can see, but it doesn't morph though. It's not a morphing cube, it's just a different type of rotation cube. So there are three triangles in one part, and then you move them, and you can even transfer the parts. So such as white blue is only in this area, not in this area, right? So what I can do is move it like this, and then I come here, and then I can move it like this, and now it's out, right? So we can do that. Now this thing that I just did will be really helpful in the future, because in this the second step that we will be doing, we need to move the pieces around again and again, so that they get fixed. And yeah, this cube looks, it might look hard, but I literally, trust me, this is literally the easiest cube ever. In all of the cubes, the 3 by 3, 7 by 7, the Pyraminx, all of the cubes, this is the easiest cube ever. You're gonna learn this in like 3 minutes or 5 minutes, easy. It's not that hard, it's not that long. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys now. So first we mix this up, and of course in the starting it's gonna be hard to hold this and everything, but if you really try use the cube for like 3 days, 4 days, you're gonna get used to it and it's gonna be normal. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is find a white piece, or any piece you want. I suggest you choose the white piece. So white and orange, what's with orange, right? Now here it can be either green or blue, so we get a green piece. Now how do you put this green piece right here? You put this aside, right? So you move this like this, away from that, you pull this up, and then you put this back, so they both are in the same place together. Now the other piece, let's go with blue. The blue and white piece, oh whoops, sorry, where is it? The blue and white piece is right here. So what are we gonna do now? We are just gonna pull this up, and now this is very simple. We just move this, and now done. Blue, orange, green piece. Now this is the first time we need to do something, let's say, technical. All right, so we need to put this red and white piece right here, right? But how won't everything else get mixed up? So what we first do is we put this here, okay? And now if I move it like this, the red white piece comes here, but the blue piece goes away. So what you do is move the blue white, orange white piece away. You bring the red white piece like this, okay? And then you just bring these both together back, just like they were before. You move them out of the way, you put this back here, and done. It's that easy. And now you have the whole white done. Now for the next one, what you need to do is make these two. So this two, this two, this two, and this two. Not the yellow, forget about the yellow. Yellow is going to be top. If the white is at the bottom, the yellow is going to be at the top. So next, you choose a color if you want to do. So let's go with this one. This is the easiest. Green is the easiest. So green, red is already connected, and on the top we can see it as green, orange. So we just move it like this, and it comes in place, right? Forget about this, we're gonna use this later if it gets fixed and everything. Now the next one is this one. We need to put this and this one right here. That's easy as well. We just pull that right like that, and now it's done. It should form a shape like this, and then the next one, blue and orange, we do the same thing, and it's done. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to see which color is done, like which face is all colored. For us, it's green. So we're going to put the green on the far side of us, on the opposite side. And now here you need to remember one thing. You need to remember actually two things. The first, how you're going to move, and the second, the algorithms. So the first is how you're going to move. Now, if the matchup is like this, right, with the green on the opposite side, if the matchup is like this, you do R prime, L, R, L prime, and yeah, it's literally, it's done. It was that fast. Your cube is done. But there's another scenario that I'm going to be showing you guys after this. So the next case is this one. First it was like this, and now it's like this, right? So what do? You do L prime, R prime, L, and R, and then it's done. Okay, so for this case, like if it's like this and the yellow is here and the yellow is here, then you do this one, right? And if it's like this, yellow here and yellow on this side, then you do this one, right? And yeah, that literally is it. Once you learn the algorithms and you learn how to, you know, keep the cube in your hand, because sometimes when you're moving fast, it gets, you know, slipped out of your hand, just like you saw earlier in the video with me. Yeah, it really did slip out of my hands. So once you like literally get used to the cube, then it's literally one of the easiest cubes ever. Whenever I'm bored, I just pull this up, and it's so easy to solve it. I just solve it in like 5-10 seconds. And if you really want to be a speed runner with this, you can easily do that as well, because it doesn't take long to make it. So yeah, that's my video done, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.